if somebody wants to be in a specific section, so say somebody asked the question, Laura, can you specify that you want to be in the art section? So um, is that something that they would write in their application, or is that something that the jury decides?
So that's a great question. Yes, you'll be able to select the section that you'd like to be in. So for the winter show, we talked about Rising Stars. We have the original art section. We have the flavor section, and the fashion district.
Yeah.
So you'll be able to pick that, and then we'll look to see if you qualify for that section, and if there's a match, we will absolutely make that a priority.
And is that in the application? Sorry, I missed that. So okay, that's excellent.
Yes, because it will ask
Um,
you, what
yeah.
are you applying for a section, and then you can just check mark if that applies to you, and if not, you can just leave it blank. And we'll also ask you, what are you applying for? The first 5 days, the 6 days, or the 11 days?